out here walking the snow. We just went to the store to get some coffee. Just across the street from our house. Now we headed back home. Y'all see that? That's Texas. That's Texas. Snowing in Texas. And this is the aftermath, y'all. It's Sunday, 5:30 p.m. Most definitely going to be off tomorrow. Look at the airplane, y'all. Alright, y'all, we headed home. Y'all, let us know how is the weather. What's the weather like where y'all at? Let us know in the comments, y'all. What's the weather? Is it cold? Is it snowing?